welcome back to another video. Today we have brand new deals just dropped, guys. Milwaukee deals just dropped at the stores. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers will platform by subscribes and likes. So help out this channel by doing so, guys. Yes, guys, these are the new Gen 4 hammer drill impact driver and the M12 Gen 3. Guys, let's go ahead and get started. Oh, also we do have the buy one get one free M12 deals. All right, so that's the $3.99. Yes, this are the brand new tools, Gen 4 impact driver and hammer drill. If you guys want to watch those videos, I do have them up already. Versus other video or other tools, manufacturers, and same manufacturer with the Gen 3. But yeah, you do buy that $3.99 kit and you get that free 5 amp hour battery. If you guys want to return that battery, you guys can get that toolkit at a discounted price. That's called the hack. It's up to you if you want to do it. As you guys do see, they are the brand new tools. That is a 5 amp hour battery. That's pretty much it right there, what you're going to be getting for free. Or, you know, obviously they're going to split the price, but, you know, it comes to $3.99 for both. And that's what you're going to get, the hammer drill, as you guys do see. So that's the brand new hammer drill with the handle. You got the impact driver with the new shape. You got the 2 batteries, charger, and a hard case. So definitely check that one out. That's a nice deal. Alright, guys, the brand new Gen 3 M12 Tools. Yes, $229. You get yourself a free battery if you buy this kit for $229. That is the brand new impact driver, the brand new hammer drill. You're going to get a small battery and a big battery. Alright, so this is the battery you're going to get for free when you buy the Gen 3 kit. This is the Gen 3 kit. This is the newest. You're going to get a contractor bag. You're going to get the M12 charger. You get the get one 4 amp hour battery. You're going to get one 2 amp hour battery, the impact driver, and the hammer drill. So that's pretty nice. All right, we got some more deals here. We got $249 for the bandsaw, the right angle die grinder, the impact wrench, and the brand new high output battery. Yes, guys, that is the brand new high output battery. However, if you guys watch my videos for the Black Friday and the holiday deals that are coming up, that battery is going to be a buy one get one free with the deal. So do not buy this right now. Wait until those deals drop, then you can hack it. Get yourself a nice discount on that. That is the bandsaw. So wait on that battery unless you really need it. Alright, so $199. This is the top tier 2 battery starter kit. So this is the best one you can get. The best tools for free. So these are 2 6 amp hour batteries, charger, starter kit. You can get those two for free. Those tools for free, valued at $179. Those are the 2 batteries. Alright, you can start with the ratchet, the rocket light, which is the best one to get, the inflator, the oscillating tool, the cut tool, the circular saw, the brand new blower, the rubber lights, die grinder, the crown stapler. All those tools you guys can get with this kit. Obviously, the rocket light is going to be the killer deal. Probably the year of the deal of the year, basically, for Milwaukee, or at least for the holiday season. All right, so $129. You got the big battery and the small battery. These are the lower tier. So you get a 4 and a 2. And these are the tools you're going to get for free. Well, they're not really for free, but they're going to give you for $129. Definitely the light, the new blower, and the inflator are the ones to get. The staple gun if you need it. I do have that staple gun. I haven't tried it out. I still need to try it out. That is the kit there. And one of the tools is sitting on the top. Alright, here are the tools. You got the 3/8 crown stapler. You got the quarter inch impact driver. You got the die grinder. So that is the crown stapler, the 3/8 crown stapler. Like I said, I do have it. I haven't checked it out. Hopefully I'll make a video of it and a video review for you guys. Alright, you got the die grinder. You got the rubber 12 volt service and repair floodlights with USB charging. You got the 12 volt compact blower, and you got the 12 volt inflator. So that is 700 lumen, the rubber light. It does include a magnet so you can stick it to anywhere. And plus it does have a fuel gauge, and it has a USB port so you guys can charge your phone. So that's a plus on this light. It's like a 1 in 2 basically, a power bank, a light, and pretty much everything in one. You got an inflator, and then you got the blower, and that is the brand new blower, by the way. Alright, so 129 is going to get you these two tool combo. These are brush tools, so just keep that in mind. They're older tools. You got the 2-pack of 3s. Definitely the other deal is the best deal. Stay away from these. Let's keep these at the shelves and get the other ones. Alright, we got the brand new dual bay charger. This is a rapid charger. $199 does come with 2 5-amp hour batteries. 2 tool combo kit for $169. It looks like just non-brushless tools, but yeah, definitely this is the newer one. I'm still waiting for the hack on these. I know there was some deals at the special buy of the day this week with this with that charger. Guys, if you guys missed it, that's why you're supposed to be subscribing and hitting the bell icon. This deal was dropped to $209 just one day, and a special buy of the day, and you were still getting those sockets for free. Right now it went up to $299. Yes, guys, unfortunately it's back to $299. When these deals drop, I post, even if it's in the middle of the night, middle of the day. So make sure you guys stay subscribed, hit the bell icon, so you guys won't miss any of those deals. But yeah, it was a killer deal at $209 with that free socket set. Alright, you got the fuel multi-tool. That is the circular saw. Alright, these deals are really nice deals. They're still live. I know these been out for a while. Top tier is the one on the left. You get a free 6-amp hour high output battery. Middle tier, you get a 5-amp hour battery, which is still pretty decent tools. And lower tier, you get a 2-amp hour battery. So some of those are still pretty good. So a lot to choose from, guys. A lot to choose from today. Now that we got other brand new deals, and we still got some of these. Alright, for the top tier, an example, you can get that SDS rotary hammer and get that 6-amp hour battery for free, or that circular saw valued at $249, or that super saw valued at $249. And then you can get this multi-tool valued at $129. You got the 5, and then you got the 2-amp hour batteries. So you're going to get those with this corresponding deal. You got the angle grinder, which is mid-tier, and then you got the circular saw and brushless drill. Then you got the lower tiers at the bottom. Most of them are already sold out. Alright, we got some gloves here, $397. This is a cut 1 level nitro dip gloves. Free flex gloves for $997 with the touch screen sensitive to the cell phone and the tablets. They're actually on the lighter side. So if you guys got to do work, make sure it's light duty work. It's not going to be your heavy duty gloves. Alright, your performance safety glasses, $14.97. My favorite. Definitely check them out. These and the tinted I prefer the tinted because I wear them outside all the time. So yeah, and then you got the anti-scratch pack of 3, $19.97. You got the high visibility vest. Alright, you got a Shockwave 45 piece, $19.97. And $14.97 for the Red Helix Cobalt drill bit set and the titanium drill bit set. Obviously the Cobalt is the one to get. That's the best one. Alright, this one does include an extension. You guys do see the middle, on the middle part, the extension. So that's a plus on this one. So very complete kit. Does some nut drivers, 2-inch bits. These are the titanium drill bits. And then you got the cobalt. Definitely go for the cobalt. I prefer cobalt. Let me know down in the comment section which ones do you prefer, cobalt or titanium. You got the power dual power floodlights Rover, 149. You got the 2-pack of 3 ampere batteries. These are CP. These are high output CP batteries. I really do like the batteries. They give you more power and less weight to power ratio. Alright, so 179. Do not buy this at 179. Wait until something like this comes into a hack, or some sort of buy one get one free, or buy more save more. $9.97, either the safety glasses or the gloves. So these are the performance gloves, large. Alright, we got some lamps, some LED lights. Alright, so the ones on the right are battery operated. The ones on the left is rechargeable. So these are $39.88. You get a 350 lumen headlamp and 100 lumen pen light. I don't know if this pen light's actually rechargeable. It doesn't look like it's... Yeah, it doesn't look like it's rechargeable. Maybe they're all battery powered. And these are definitely battery powered because this is on the back. So these are 300 lumen. They actually look pretty nice, but you know, I wish they had rechargeable like this one. This one is a pretty good deal. Well, it's not a pretty good deal, but it's a solid lamp. It's gonna last you for a long time. You don't have to buy any batteries for this one. This one already has it in it. So it's 250 lumen. It does have a laser pointer. $9.97 for the cut level 2 gloves. Then you got the impact protection gloves. Protect those knuckles with all the impacts and all that stuff. Reinforced nitrile coating. And then you got these. These are high density. I can't say that. Level 2 cut. Guys, these are the masks. They're Milwaukee brand. I do not recommend these because I do feel the chemicals in my lungs. I don't know about you, but I take care of my lungs, so I use the 3M. Those are the best ones to get. The respirators. Alright, $14.88 for a pair of cut level 1 gloves. $19.97 for the torque locking pliers. And then you got a 12-inch high tension hacksaw. So I'm amazed how Milwaukee did this one. They put a plastic part on a metal tool, so I don't know how well that's gonna hold up. Let me know down in the comment section if you have these, if you like them, if you don't like them. Why not just put metal on all the back part instead of the plastic? So, alright, so in $14.97 you got a compact tape measure, a 25 footer. You got a 4-piece precision screwdriver set. You got a 13-in-1. Alright, so that's a precision screwdriver set. If you do a lot of smaller appliances and electronics, that is the best one to get for you. The best deal. Alright, we got the 13-in-1, so lots of bits in there. Very compact. This is always nice to have a lot more bits in just one tool. Alright, so this is the 25 footers. It's 12-foot reach. And that's the way it looks. Looks pretty nice. The yellow and the black. Alright, $19.97 for the 1-inch copper tubing cutter. Or the 1-inch tubing cutter. The plastic or the copper. That is a copper cutter. And then you got the plastic. Alright, you got a chainsaw, bare tool, $2.99, or a blower kit for $2.99. So that one's just a bare tool. And then you got the kit here with battery and charger. Alright, you got some oscillating bits. It looks like you include some 2 metal bits, $75 worth of blades. I don't think so, but it's $29.88. $19.97 for the wood, the metal torch, or the multi-material wrecker. So just depending on which blades you want to get, so you're going to get that corresponding blade for free. So it says free carbide blade, free carbide blade. Guys, don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.